Good morning, students. Today we revise data structure in Python. As we know that data plays an important role in computer system. So we can say that computer system is used as a data manipulation system where data is a very important thing. And data can be referred in many ways like data items, data structure, etc. And data is an active participant in the organization's operations and planning. Data are aggregated and summarized in various meaningful ways and form an information. For all these, uh, data structure is an effective and reliable way to organize data or to aggregate data so we can get an information from it. So data is represented, or the elementary representation of data can be in the form of raw data and data items. Raw data are the raw facts. These are the simple values or a set of values, and data items represents a single unit of value of a certain type like integer, float, etc. Data items are used as per their associated data types. While designing data structure, one must determine the logical picture of the data in a particular program. Choose the representation of the data and develop the operations that will be applied on it. So, what is data structure? Data structure is a named group of data items of different types which is stored in a specific way and can be processed as a single unit. Our data structure has well defined operations, behavior, and properties. Data type versus data structure. What is the difference between data type and data structure? Data type defines the set of values along with well defined operations stating its input or output behavior. That is, you cannot put decimal point in an integer, or two strings cannot be multiplied, etc. On the other hand, data structure is a physical representation that defines a way of storing, accessing, manipulating data stored in a different data structure. The data stored in a data structure has a specific work pattern. For example, in a stack, all the insertions and deletions takes place at one end only. Now, different types of data structures. Data structures are very important in computer systems as these are not allow the user to combine various data types in a group but also allow processing of the group as a single unit, thereby making things easier and simpler. So different types of data structure we used are primitive data structures and non-primitive data structures. Non-primitive data structures are defined again into two types, linear and non-linear. Linear are further divided into static and dynamic, and in static we have an array, and in dynamic we have linked list, stack and queue. Non-linear are further divided into tree and graph, and primitive data structures are integer, float, etc. And static are array. Array is a collection of a homogeneous type of data items, or we can say that a linear list. And stacks are the data structures refer to the list stored and accessed in a special way, where LIFO follows the LIFO technique, where insertion and deletion takes place only at one end. Queue follows the FIFO technique, first in first out, and linked lists are the spatial list of some data elements linked to one another. Then we have a tree and graph. They are the non-linear data structures, and trees are multi-level data structures having a hierarchical relationship among its elements called the nodes. And graphs are also like trees. Then different types of operations we perform on data structures are insertion, inserting an element or adding a new element in a data structure. Deletion means removing an element from a data structure. Then searching involves searching for the specific data element in a data structure. Traversal of data structure means processing all the data elements of it by one. Sorting, arranging data elements of data structure in a specific order. Then merging means combining elements of two similar data structures to form a new data structure. So these are the various operations we perform on data structure. Thank you.